Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Emma.
And I'm Ben. We're really glad you're here with us today.
Today's episode is about a very common problem. Many learners understand English quite well, but when it's time to speak, they freeze.
Yes, it's like the words are in your head, but they don't come out of your mouth.
Exactly. So our topic is, you know English in your head, but you can't speak it? Let's fix that.
First, let's talk about why this happens. Emma, what do you think?
Well, there are a few reasons. Number one, fear of making mistakes. Many learners are afraid people will laugh at them.
Right, but the truth is, most people are just happy that you're trying to speak their language.
Yes, and actually, making mistakes helps you improve. Each mistake is a lesson.
Another reason is that learners don't practice speaking enough. They spend a lot of time reading and listening, but not enough time using English aloud.
Exactly. Language is like a muscle. If you don't use it, it stays weak.
Let's share some useful strategies.
Good idea. The first strategy is speak every day, even if it's only for a few minutes. Talk about your daily routine out loud.
For example, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting ready for work. I'm taking the bus. This builds fluency with simple sentences.
Second strategy, shadowing. This means listening to a native speaker and repeating almost at the same time, like an echo.
Yes, it trains your mouth to produce natural sounds and rhythm. You can shadow TV shows, YouTube videos, or even this podcast.
Third strategy, find a conversation partner. Speaking with a real person pushes you to think faster and respond naturally.
Let's practice some small dialogues to show how this works.
Sure, let's imagine we're at a train station.
Excuse me, does this train go to the city center?
Yes, it does. You need platform 3.
Thank you very much. How long is the trip?
About 20 minutes.
Great. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
See? Very short, but very useful.
Let's give our listeners some useful phrases for conversations.
Yes. Phrase 1. Sorry, could you repeat that more slowly?
Phrase 2. I'm not sure I understand. Could you explain?
Phrase 3. That's interesting. Tell me more.
These phrases keep the conversation going and help you when you feel stuck.
Now some vocabulary from today. Fluent. Able to speak a language easily and smoothly. Confidence. The feeling that you can do something well. Conversation partner. A person you practice speaking with. Routine. Things you do every day in the same way.
Great words. Listeners, repeat them with us. Fluent, confidence, conversation partner, routine. Let's finish with a challenge.
Yes. After you listen, try this. Record yourself speaking for 2 minutes about your day. Don't stop, even if you make mistakes.
Then, listen to your recording, notice your pronunciation, and see where you can improve.
Do this every day, and in a few weeks, you'll notice big progress.
All right, I think it's time to wrap up.
Friends, thank you for listening. Remember, you already know English in your head. The next step is to use it with your voice.
Don't be afraid. Don't wait for perfect. Start speaking today.
And before you go, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like.
It really helps us to make more content for you.
Thank you so much, and see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.